Bullish band protocol cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $6.42 and $13.98 by 2030. Market investigators accept band could reach $6.42 by 2025. Bearish band protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.14. Band protocol presentation. The presence of numerous protocols, both unified and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, idleness, and broad associations. Band protocol constructed this extension and killed the requirement for brokers while encouraging security and dependability. Be that as it may, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a twisting including band protocol. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us an understanding into the future cost expectations, the essentials basic it, and whether it's a wise venture for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band protocol? Band protocol was made in 2017 to make a scaffold between the conventional web and the blockchain by giving true information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Sourav Srinivakun, an accomplished programming engineer and advisor, going about as the chief, and Sorawit Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. This protocol fills in as a stage for decentralized applications. To use their brilliant agreement information focuses to acquire openness to outer arrangements. The white paper expressed, Band protocol expects to settle information openness and information unwavering quality in a completely decentralized way. This incorporates how Band gives information and point to such an extent that any savvy agreements can without much of a stretch consume certifiable information and information administration system to guarantee information uprightness. It presents an answer for blockchain profits, which is the unavailability to true information on the chain. This is an obstruction to the extension of the DeFi environment and the improvement of utilizations inside the blockchain in general in light of the fact that their purposes are inside a shut framework. Band protocol wipes out the requirement for go-betweens and the issues in regards to adaptability and information security during association by relying upon its local blockchain, which was at first sent off on the Ethereum blockchain yet at present works with universe created between blockchain correspondence protocol. The security framework inside the protocol is empowered by a designated confirmation of stake agreement system. Band is the local and administration badge of the protocol which concedes the holders the right to navigation and information given the organization. This token was sent off in September 2019 on Binance through an underlying trade offering where chosen people took part. The worth of Band tokens is deflationary, which is expected to urge the protocol's clients to stake their tokens and get compensated for it. They're likewise utilized in loaning and other exchange administrations, with dApps getting to the information focuses by means of an information aggregator inside the decentralized organization. Band protocol current cost. Band protocol is right now worth $1.43 USD. Band has moved 2.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,574,648. Band protocol is right now positioned 1116 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $50,217,243 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Band protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Band protocol value forecast 2023. In 2023, Band protocol band cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Band will before long outperform $3.57. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Band's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.85 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.14. Band protocol value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.99 and Band might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.57 and a low of $4.28 in 2024. Band protocol value expectation 2025. Assuming that Band protocol effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Band will be green in 2025. The Band is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.42, with a base cost of $5.71 and a typical cost of $5.99. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the band cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.42 by 2026, with a base cost of $7.13 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Band has a greatest value worth of $7.85. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2027, because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $8.85. In the event that Band figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $9.28. Neglecting to accumulate the help Band needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $8.56. Band Protocol Value Expectation 2028. While Band is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $9.99 and a yearly cost close above $10.70 in 2028. Band Protocol Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Band Protocol will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $11.42 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $12.13, averaging out at $11.70. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest band cost in 2030 is projected to be $13.98 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $13.41. And, from our examination and cost estimates, obviously forecasts are not uniform on the genuine cost of these tokens, in view of many elements that will perhaps influence it, like unofficial laws, associations, new progressions on the blockchain, or the overall set of laws. Doing a reasonable level of effort prior to effective financial planning is supposed to be your watchword. What is the Band Protocol cost today? Today, Band Protocol is exchanging at $1.43 with an all-out market capitalization of $50,217,243. Is Band Protocol a wise speculation? Band Protocol ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Band is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Band Protocol go? The typical cost of Band Protocol might potentially reach $2 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Band Protocol might outperform $9.28. What amount will Band Protocol be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising ubiquity of digital money and Band Protocol, a drawn-out interest in Band could see the value ascend to $9.28 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Band Protocol be worth